In this video, we will discuss the if-error formula. What happens if you write a formula and it doesn't work? For example, we will write a simple formula here. Simple formula. Now, what if we change the 60 to a 0? Now, the formula throws us an error. Now, with the if-error formula, what you can do is if you do if error. So what you're telling the formula to do is if there is an error, what do you do? So in this case, if there is an error, we will say return 0. And now you can also change it to a 5. And that's how the if error formula works. The same thing, we can apply the same logic with a text formula. For example, if we were to do a VLOOKUP, for example. Let's say orange. So this formula is saying there's no orange in this list, and there is, and there is not. Now what we can do, we can add the if error formula to our existing formula. So if there is an error, we can also say error. And there you have it. Now what happens if the formula does work? Let's try that. So now we're looking for red. Now the VLOOKUP formula works because we're looking for red in the list. We have red in the list. And if we change it back to orange, there is no orange in the list. It returns an error. So in short, that is how the if error formula works. Thank you for watching. If you have not, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.